We are Messermeister, a family of knife makers that have been creating world-class German cutlery for over 40 years. Making knives is what we do. It's in our DNA. Our experience is what it takes to create innovative, world-class kitchen cutlery. After decades of making our staple line of German knives, we went back to the drawing board to reinvent the way they were made. The new Messermeister Custom line is the result of 2 years of development, and it's a game changer. Our new knife line is a modern take on the classic triple-rivet, full-tang German design. So what has changed? We have applied a revolutionary ceramic stonewash finish to our blades made from cold-rolled German stainless steel. The stonewash finish allows for smoother cutting and increased stain resistance. No design is complete without relentless testing to find the ideal edge geometry. Each 2.2 millimeter blade is engineered to be light, fast, and agile, with a full taper grind for featherweight performance without sacrificing strength. In knife making, it's all about the angles. Our deep rocker design makes the knife easy to use by cooks of all sizes and ability. By stretching the cutting edge over a longer arc, we've created a bigger sweet spot for keeping contact with the cutting board. Now here's the fun stuff. Our handles are now interchangeable. We've introduced a new big idea in kitchen cutlery. The modular design of our custom collection means that you can personalize your handle design to make your favorite one-of-a-kind knife. Our custom knives come with beautiful reclaimed black canvas handle material that is much tougher than traditional plastic handles. The handle has a ramp bolster for improved grip ergonomics and is cambered for optimal control. The handle is finished with brass-colored Torx rivets and silver collars. Our first set of limited edition mod kits are made from reclaimed Spanish hardwood and is available in 5 different colors. We repurposed wood shavings and pressed them with natural resins to create a next-generation durability in a perfectly sustainable material. With all these new changes to our entry German knife line, you would expect a dramatic price increase, right? No, because we want everyone to enjoy the knives they cook with as much as the food that they prepare. We took up to 40% off the retail price, which stands as the most value for performance in kitchen cutlery today. You will not find these deals after Kickstarter ends. We are a small company, and we know that Kickstarter is the best platform to launch unique products. There's not another product out in the market like our custom knife collection. So we wanted to offer the Kickstarter community this product first.